Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am on my way to the Sharjah Cricket Stadium and आज हमारा मैच 4 बजे शुरू होगा और टीम पख्तून will be playing with the Bengal Tigers and I hope you all tune in to watch the match. In India it will be shown on Sony ESPN. In Pakistan it will be shown on 10 Sports and on Afghanistan it's going to be shown on Channel 1. So all my Pakhtun supporters from all over the world, we have to come together and support our tribe and our team. So hope you all are there with me, and I'm sure you guys are following the T10 Cricket League. We had an amazing win yesterday and also the डे बिफोर येस्टरडे. हमारी शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी हुई है. दुआ कीजिए कि कप हमारा हो. कल सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स एक साथ होने वाले हैं बैक टू बैक एंड व्हाट कैन आई से. आई want all of you to pray and make our team win because Pakhtuns rock all over the world. My next film is going to be 1921 which is going to be releasing in January. फिलहाल उसके बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे. Right now I want you guys to show all your interest for the T10 Cricket League that's happening in Sharjah, UAE, and I am very excited for today's match. Team Pakhtoon versus Bengal Tigers. आज हम Bengal Tigers के साथ मैच खेलेंगे. So show all your support to Team Pakhtoon. पश्तो में बात करूं. पखेर आगले संगा. वेल कौन ओपनिंग करेगा? अदनान, वो तुम्हें पर नहीं है, वो मैनेजमेंट डिसाइड करेंगे. Dev, I am in Dubai and I will just be leaving for the Sharjah Cricket Stadium. All our supporters here, all our Pakhtoon supporters here, I want you all, whoever is in Dubai and Sharjah, to be in the ground and support us. So I am going to be ending this video now. Hopefully if I get network, if I get Wi-Fi, I will show you all some live coverage from the ground. And again, hope you all are praying for our win today evening. Support Team Pakhtoon.